My name is Ahmed Jimmy Mi, a calligrapher who bridged the rich tradition of China and the Arab world through each stroke of my brush. Crafting a piece of calligraphy is a journey. It takes days, sometimes even longer, facing unforeseen challenge along the way. In every line, curve, and dot, my calligraphy carries a message of unity and belonging. It is a call to all of us to embrace our difference, to find harmony in our diversity. No matter the obstacles, there's always the path to accomplish, a way to bring the vision in my heart to life on paper. I will find myself a part of a mosaic that is the United States, a place of diverse cultures and stories. I stand firm in belief that all of us belong here.